New York City is iconic, defined by its towering skyline and vibrant communities. But behind every beautiful exterior lies a hard truth. The effort to maintain and restore these structures is continuous and meticulous. Facade restoration is vital for preserving the city's architectural integrity and safety. Just 2 decades ago, facade restoration was often reactive. Building owners waited until visible damage prompted repairs. Inspections were inconsistent, making it harder to maintain buildings' aesthetics and safety. However, this changed with Local Law 11, now the Facade Inspection and Safety Program. This regulation requires regular facade inspections for buildings taller than 6 stories, transforming the industry into a proactive culture. For firms like Schnellbacher Sendon Group, which has led this evolution since 2005, this shift represents more than a trend, it's their craft's foundation. Today, restoration entails more than quick fixes. It requires attention to architectural integrity and compliance with regulations. Restoring a historic building demands precision and knowledge of different materials and techniques. In the past 20 years, technology has revolutionized facade restoration. Gone are the days of blueprints and handwritten notes. Now, high-resolution drones and 3D modeling ensure accurate problem identification before work begins. This technology streamlines the restoration process, reduces timelines, and minimizes disruptions for tenants. Client expectations have also evolved. Today's clients are sophisticated, often expecting transparency and reliability. Firms must deliver quality work while also being discreet and accountable. Schnellbacher Sendon Group has built trust and long-term relationships by embodying these values. They prioritize clean workspaces and clear communication from start to finish, understanding their clients' lifestyle and business concerns. Looking ahead, the next 2 decades promise further transformation. Environmental sustainability will play a crucial role, pushing for greener materials and energy-efficient designs. With advances in robotics and artificial intelligence, diagnostics and repair will become even more precise. Despite these advancements, the essence of facade restoration remains unchanged. It's about safeguarding buildings that define our cities and preserving their character. For firms like Schnellbacher Sendon Group, this mission is a personal commitment to their craft. Ultimately, facade restoration embodies trust and legacy. It's a responsibility to keep New York City standing tall. As the industry evolves, those who respect tradition while embracing innovation will remain crucial to the skyline and to the people who call it home.